Hi guys, I'm Patty. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to make a products review. So I have service called the KETO box. So what they do is they deliver every month a box full of keto friendly foods, and so they're mostly snacks and stuff like that. So, but a lot of them, they're actual foods that you can have. And so instead of making a review, the whole box, and just opening it and telling you what came, instead of that, I'm actually going to use the products and tell you what I think about them. Okay? This is not a paid review, so it's my honest opinion. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to be reviewing palmini, which is, you can see in the camera, which is a pasta made, and let me get my glasses because I am actually blind. So I took pictures on my iPad so I can actually read them for you. The macros are 4 grams of carbs with 2 of fiber, and since it's not actual, it's not a processed food, it's just veggies that are canned, the fiber counts, so for me. So it's actually 2 grams of carbs instead of 4 per serving, which is 75 grams, and then no fat, and 2 grams of protein. And the ingredients for it is water, salt, sliced hearts of palm, and fumaric acid, made in Bolivia. So I think this company was on the Shark Tank. I said tank first. It was on the Shark Tank, and I'm not sure if they got picked up or not, but anyway, they went. And so this is the company, I think, is called Palmini, and this is the linguine cut. So what it says in the can, it says, palmini is a pasta substitute made out of natural plants known as hearts of palm. When this plant is cut and cooked in the proper way, its resemblance to regular pasta is remarkable. Due to its high content of water, a serving of palm contains only 20 calories and 4 grams of carbs. For me, it's 2 because of the fiber. Furthermore, unlike regular pasta, it is gluten-free and contains no sugar. Replace pasta altogether with palmini and start enjoying a healthier lifestyle. Well, I agree. So, let's do this. I am going to make a recipe with it, and I'm going to have it for dinner, and then I'm going to give you my review after I'm done eating it, and to see if I liked it. Alright, so let's go to the recipe. right. So how do you like the recipe? It was pretty easy to do, right? I made sure everything I put in the app and it fit my macros. The thing is that I don't eat dairy. So I talked to my coach and I asked him permission to eat dairy, and he said okay, but only for like the job, which is to make the videos. So I would rather use like a marinara sauce, like a low carb, but I wanted to do it Mexican. So I did a cream, and it's okay. I don't eat dairy every day, so I think this is okay. So I'm gonna taste it. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you. So this is the pieces of chicken, lean chicken breast, and this is the pasta. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. This is weird because I don't like people watching me eat, so it's gonna be super weird. And then the pasta is kind of like, it's gonna be all over my face, but oh well. So I'm gonna taste the pasta by itself first and see what's up. Wow, it's really good. I don't know if it's my recipe, which is amazing, but it's really good. It has good texture. It's not slimy and it's not crunchy, but it has like a bite to it, which you would get with al dente pasta if it's cooked, cooked properly. So I really like it, and it's a whole food, which is great, and the texture, like, it holds up. It's not mushy. It's like perfectly like loose. They're not stuck to each other, and like it has texture, and it tastes. I don't taste like a indistinct. I'm not eating anyway, so there's words I cannot pronounce, but it's okay. So what I mean is that it's not like, okay, I don't cook with coconut oil because I can taste the coconut. I don't like that. So maybe like I can do it with bacon fat. Like if it tastes a little bit of bacon, it's fine. But with coconut, I do like some type of coconut stuff, but like they're more like dessert like. So on my savory meals, I don't want to taste the coconut. So that's something that I don't cook with coconut oil unless I'm like baking recipes and stuff. But for savory meals, no. So in this, all I can taste is the cream, the Poblano cream that I made. So it doesn't have a taste that is overwhelming, that I can taste it like. So it's a neutral flavor, which means that it goes with anything. So whatever you put on it is going to taste great. And I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna order a case because it's really good. But next time I won't use cream or cheese. What are you waiting for? Go order it right now. I'm gonna leave you the link right here for the products I use, and go make the recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye.